Hello, I'm just doing like a bit of a tour on my bedroom because um I've got a lot of outfits now, so I'm just doing a little tour. As you can see, there's all my photos of my outfits, and you can carefully see me inside the photo. If not, well, yeah, my outfits, which I actually wore that at Whitby Goth weekend, and my group I go to. And hang on, I'm gonna do a little short video of what am I actually wearing. Just wish I had a mirror. These are my outfits. All my demonias and my slippers. Bye bye. If you want to know what I'm actually wearing, I'm wearing my killstar uh, riding top, my belt, and gothicana skirt, a bob wig, and some tights. Because it's just warm. I wish I could put some more makeup on, but it's just one of those things. My little photo album, which I'm going to basically my little actually first I'm doing what I do at the arc, showing my photos. It's kind of a new hobby I've done. Like, hey, well, this is Christopher Evans doing another my photo album of the day. Well, photo frame video. Like, I've got my alternate fashion gothic gamer Chris. My photos, which was done at the Rug Goth weekend, and me at Guana group and my friend as well, which is a test one. So yeah, so those are my outfits of the day because it's getting warmer now, and I just want to do some tours of my bedroom today. So goodbye. Hello, it's me, Chris Evans, doing another alternate fashion of the day. I'm just showing you my photo frame, which I have. I just did a video of it using my camera, and it's on this, and I have to transfer it to my camera, my phone, my laptop. I mean, I could put it, I will show it, but you won't see my face, and I'm just trying to show. Just did you use my phone today? So just did you a small tour because I have a plan, because it's near. It's going to be the World Goth Day in a few weeks' time, and I've got a couple of killstar outfits coming, and I'll have a little break after World Goth Day, just because I would say, I don't know when, but I do have a wallet, a Wednesday wallet, including actually Wednesday season 2 is actually still is actually getting filmed now for season 2, and also there's a series that the actress is in was actually another series called Jurassic World Chaos Theory, but she's not in it. So I might just skip that series and just head straight to Wednesday season 2. So yeah. So anyway, the outfit I'm wearing is just plain tights, a skirt, a belt, and my killstar wide and top and my bobbery. So, but I am going to do another video of this again, and this is just a teaser for the next one. So, yeah, because next week I'm going to do a video of my ASOS puffy dress, which I have, and also my wig I have over there with a pair of Mary Jane heels or some platform boots, because it's going to be an 80s night coming up soon. I need to focus on that. And also, I've noticed I do another hobby, which is, just say it, I hate watching these videos, but I think it's a bit silly for what people do. Like, I do alternate fashion videos, and also people do muddy videos, and I don't think it's fair to ruin outfits like what I've got. I will not do it. So that's why, because my parents got mad to me, mad when I do these, and that's why I'm not going to do them anymore, because it's just silly and petty. And if I did it in one of my coolest outfits, I'll be fuming. So this video will be probably out tonight or tomorrow, but I'll have to work it out, because I've got to make the videos, make the edits, even including, yes, Friday I was on the radio, so that's why I'm doing like a little forward video of that. And it's getting warmer now, so yeah, so I'm gonna sign off now. And also I've got a new pinafore dress from Killstar as well, which from present day from the present day collection. So I've got two stuff from the present day collection now, so I don't need any more stuff. So yeah, so bye bye. Hello YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. I'm just putting my fishnets on just to try out my harnesses. Can you like them? Or do you like them? Hello YouTube, it's me because I'm doing a very different, very similar version. I'm just putting my fishnets on, well, with my harnesses, my new one as well, from because I just wanted to try them on because it's a nice sunny day, and I just want to look more gothic.